Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. This is my niece Jennifer. Say hi, Jennifer.
Hi.
Yeah, she's a little nervous. Okay, so today we did this very soft, glam, nude look. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep watching. We're jumping right into it. I'm taking the E.L.F. Mineral Primer and applying it all over her face as a barrier between her skin and the makeup, and it also smooths out the surface of the skin so the makeup glides on super easily. Next, I'm taking the NYX Conceal Correct Contour Palette in the color palette Deep, and I'm using the color Orange and applying it with my EcoTools concealer brush to correct the darker areas on her face. For foundation, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion BB Cream in the color 8918 Chocolate and applying it with a damp beauty sponge. And since she's not used to wearing this much makeup, this is a perfect foundation because it's so lightweight. Next, I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the color N8 Cappuccino, and it's a bit lighter than the previous foundation, and I'm applying it to the areas of her face I want to be brighter. Next, taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, I'm using it to conceal and brighten those same areas of her face. Then blending everything out with the same beauty sponge. Again, taking the same NYX contouring palette to contour her entire face, her forehead, her cheekbones, her nose, her jawline. Since she wanted the full glam treatment, this is what we have to do. To set the contour, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me 360 shade pressed powder in the color Mocha. To set her concealer, I'm using the Black Radiance Translucent Pressed Powder in the color 8620 and applying it with a triangular sponge. I've been keeping her away from the mirror, and this was her first look. But we both laughed it off and ended up taking a bunch of pictures. Moving on to the brows, I'm using the NYX Cream Retractable Eyebrow Pencil in the color Dark Brown. I have a more in-depth brow tutorial. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Next, taking a fluffy brush and brushing away the excess powders. Next, to set her entire face, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Powder in the color N8 Cappuccino. We're going to define her nose a little bit more using the E.L.F. blending brush and the Maybelline Fit Me 360 shade pressed powder in the color Mocha. Again, taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to prime her eyelids and define and clean up around her brows. Next, I'm taking the NYX Warm Neutrals Eyeshadow Palette. I'm taking this light taupe color and applying it all over her lid as the base. And I'm applying it with the E.L.F. eyeshadow brush. Next, I'm taking this light beige color and applying that only on her eyelids. This palette has both matte and shimmer eyeshadows, but for this look, we're only using matte. For the transition color in her crease, we're using this brown and applying it with the E.L.F. Eye Crease brush. To add more intensity, we're taking this dark purple and applying it to the outer V of her eyes. Next, I'm using this eyeliner. The name rubbed off, but I'm just doing a very subtle, soft wing eyeliner. Next, I'm taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Eyelash Primer to give her lashes some volume. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the color Very Black. For blush, I'm using the Black Radiance Artisan Baked Blush in the color Toasted Almonds. And I'm using my EcoTools blush brush to apply it. Moving on to my favorite part, which is the highlight, I'm using the NYX Illuminator highlighter in the color Magnetic, and I'm applying it with my E.L.F. angled brush. For lip liner, I'm using Jordana lip liner in the color Coco Loco, and it's a deep, rich brown color. If you mess up, just use a Q-tip. For lips, I'm using ColourPop's matte liquid lipstick in the color Beeper and applying that with my EcoTools flat angled brush. Again, easy cleanup with a Q-tip. And I'm gonna add a little bit more of the lip liner. And this is how it turned out. This was her first time doing full face makeup with contouring and highlight. She wanted something that was soft, pretty, and glam, but still natural. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again with my next video.